All right, so in this video, we want to solve these rational equations, and this is a pretty easy example over here. These examples are all pretty simple, but what we want to start by doing is if we have a common denominator, which on each side separately, then we just want to start with cross multiplication. So in this case, I'm going to cross multiply the denominator over there, and x minus 1 times 0 is just a 0. So I just have x plus 3 equals 0. I move the 3 to the other side, it's just x equals to -3. Like I said, pretty easy one there. This one's similar difficulty. I'm going to start by moving the x minus 1 over. So I have x plus 3 equals to 2 times x minus 1. Now distribute this 2 into the bracket. X plus 3 equals to 2x minus 2. And then I'll move the x over to this side. So 2x minus x will just give me x. And I'll move this -2 to this side. So 3 plus 2 will equal to 5. So x just equals to 5. Third one here is slightly more difficult. When I cross multiply this over, it's going to turn into a quadratic equation because if you have multiple terms on the left side, you want to put it in brackets when you're doing the movement. And now if I want to solve this, I need to FOIL this all out, combine like terms, and then make it equal to 0 and solve. It's going to be a quadratic equation. So let me FOIL this out. It's going to be 2x squared minus 2x plus x minus 1. And if I combine like terms, it's just 2x squared minus x minus 1. And then I want to move these two terms to that side. So 0 equals 2x squared minus 2x minus 4. Now we just want to factor this and get our solutions. So I can always divide this all by 2. And then if I factor this with my man method, what multiplies to -2 and adds to -1, it's going to be x minus 2 and x plus 1. It's a simple trinomial, so you can do it instantly. And my solutions are just +2 and -1. Last problem here, again, a very basic one. This is meant to be a very basic video on solving rational equations. So I'm going to cross multiply both sides over here. So I have 3 times 5x equals to 6 times 3x plus 2. Then I'll get rid of my brackets. So 15x equals to 18x plus 12. I'll move the 18x to this side, so I'm going to subtract it. It's going to become -3x equals to 12, and then divide both sides by -3. And I'll just get x equals -4.